Classic Roman fan design. A high-end texture that hits you at first glance. A uniquely shaped fan that is sure to be a visual focal point. Mark the punch position for the mounting brackets. Punch holes for mounting brackets. Insert the expansion screws into the holes. Secure the mounting brackets. Insert the headrail into the brackets. Mark the punch position for the mounting brackets. After determining the location, punch the holes. Insert the expansion screws into the holes. Then, secure the mounting brackets. Finally, insert the headrail into the brackets. Tighten the cleat according to the position of the pull cord. Fan-shaped Roman shade. Elevate your windows with a unique and elegant touch.